Kailangan natin magdesisyon kung anong gagawin natin.
Alam mo, Joe, pinakamasaya ko kapag tumapak na ako sa stage. Kumakanta, pinapalakpakan ng mga tao. Hindi ko alam kung kaya kong i-give up lahat ng to.
Outside the rain begins, and it may never end. So cry no more on the shore of dreams. We'll take us out to sea, forevermore, forevermore. Close your eyes and dream, and you can be with me. Beneath the waves, through the caves of us, long forgotten now. We're all alone, we're all alone. Close the window, calm the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. All's forgotten now. We're all alone, we're all alone. Close the window, calm the light, and it will be alright. No need to bother now. Let it out, let it all begin. Throw it to the wind, my love. Hold me dear. All's forgotten now, my love. We're all alone. Don't ever throw away your miracle.
Problem.
Si Demi at Joe, wala pa. Hindi pa dumarating.
Baka naayos yung problema nila.
Ano ibig mo sabihin?
Sigurado ka ba kung gusto mong gawin ito?
Nothing should matter. Love and love grows inside you.
Si Debbie, nagpa-abort.
Binigay ko yung address ng kilala kong abortionista.
Bakit niyo ginawa yun? Saan yung address?
Nothing should matter.
Buwisit talaga yung melody na yan. Talaga, sinabi mo pa. Bigla inago ang mic ko. Malakurs!
Hindi ko hahayaan tatuhin nila ako ng ganito.
Hindi sapat ang minsan kay aking mahalin.
Minsan, ang sabi niya sa akin.
Walang malaman kung nagsagot ka na.
Ano kasi, Martin, naisip ko lang yung nangyari kila Demi at Joe.
Akong tanggapin ang kanyang oo.
So,